Alright guys, it's Bismoto. Just going to do a really quick video for you guys today. Did a little bit of changes on my Grom clone. I put on braided steel brake lines on the front and back. You can really tell a difference when you grab it. It's like it's like they get like really firm really quick. See, I put the ones in the back here. They're just cheap ones from Wish, but they seem like they're going to work just fine. They just don't have the little chrome fancy ends like the core ones do. Whatever, but that doesn't make things work better. So, you know, chrome makes it look better, but doesn't make it work better. So this will be fine for what I got. And it was cheap. I think they're like $7-8 a piece for each line instead of, what is it, like $60 for the pair through core. Maybe even more than that, I'm not sure. But yeah, it was easy to do. I took the whole front end apart, checked everything out, and I used to have a weird wonky steering, and I think I fixed that. It feels really nice and smooth now. Just had to loosen up the head bearings a little bit. They were probably just too tight. I hear they do that from China quite a bit. They over tighten them. That's all I did to this bike. So we'll go to the Z now and we'll give you updates on that real quick. Now we're on to the Z125. The Z125, I basically just got the rear fender off, and that's it. I'm waiting for parts still. I'm putting the LEDs on it, so I'm waiting for the LEDs to come so I can wire it through the tail tidy. I did get this all together, but yeah, I'm waiting for the kit for the LEDs so I can run the wire through here, because once you put the wire in, you gotta put like a rubber grommet on here. So once I get that all done, I'll install this. I was thinking about doing the braided brake lines for this too, but I hate ripping new things apart, so I don't know, I might just leave it for this year. Not many mods are going to go on this bike. It's kind of funny, this is the actual only bike I actually named. I named this bike Pumpkin Spice just because I bought it in October, and it seems to be the major thing that everybody talks about this time of year, so I just thought it was kind of funny to name it Pumpkin Spice to go along with the season I bought it in. And my cat looks very unenthused about the whole situation, right, Buttons? Yeah. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.